What's the meaning of bright-eyed? Bright-eyed. Bright-eyed.
Bright-eyed. Bright-eyed. The phrase bright-eyed typically refers to someone who appears alert, attentive, and optimistic. It is commonly used to describe individuals who are enthusiastic or eager about something. When a person is described as bright-eyed, it suggests that they have a readiness to learn and a positive attitude towards life. The term often implies a sense of energy and vitality, as well as an eagerness to participate in new experiences. Overall, being referred to as bright-eyed can be seen as a compliment, as it suggests that the individual exudes positivity and vitality.